This is a short video to teach you how you can install VirtualBox on Windows 11. For that, first you have to go to uh, the browser. Just search for VirtualBox. I'm installing Oracle VM VirtualBox here. So just go to the website virtualbox.org. You will get it from there. Now just scroll down. Here you can see that the download link for VirtualBox 6.1 is available. Just click on. From there, just go and look for the platform packages, that is Windows Host. Now here you can see that the extension package is also available. Just click on Windows Host. Now you can see here that now the VirtualBox is getting downloaded for Windows. Once the download complete, just go and click the supported platform. So you will get the extension here. Just download that too. After that, just click on the VirtualBox setup. Just click on next. It will start installing. As you can see, hit the progress here. Now once the installation is complete, just click on finish. It will load the Oracle VM virtualware. Now once that is completed, just go back and just look for the extension pack which I have already downloaded. I have already installed it, but I'll try to reinstall it. Just click on the download, and then I'm going to the VirtualBox extension. You can see that it shows I have already installed the extension, so just close down it and you are done. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.